Hi everyone, Vincenzo here with a new ukulele tutorial. Today let's learn how to play Let It Be by the Beatles. In this tutorial you will learn the song in a lower key so that whoever cannot reach McCartney's vocals, like myself, can still sing the song. Moreover, this arrangement is beginner friendly. In fact, I will only use the main chords of the song, which are very easy. Having said that, let's get started. The chords that you need for Let It Be are G, D, E minor and C. Very simple ones. The strumming pattern goes like this. 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, down. One more time. 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, down. Okay, let's have a look at the chord progressions. This is the one for the verse, and this is the one for the chorus. As you can see, you have two chords in the same measure, for example at the beginning with G and D. In this case, you will play the first two downstrokes on the first chord, and the rest of the pattern on the second one. Nothing to worry about. Now it's time for the play-along. Download the free worksheet with the chords and words so that you can follow the play-along easily. I will be singing only the first part of the song, but in the PDF you have the entire song. You will find the download link in the description, and again, this is totally free. Having said that, get ready, you're about to start playing. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she's standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, and let it be, and let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you learned how to play Let It Be. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and remember to grab the free PDF of the song. If you're looking for more freebies, just take a look at the description and you'll find some cool stuff. That's all for now. I'll see you soon. Ciao!